Horse pie, enjoy kids, and parents have fun watching your kids learn how to bake and cook in the kitchen. Check it out. We're gonna come through with a very balanced meal right here, a ready-made pie dough. Guys, you can make it yourself if you want to do that, but here we're gonna show you the easiest, fastest way to get your kids to eat some veggies. So here it goes. We got, of course, the cheddar, like I said. We got a little bit of ham. You can use turkey or any other meat you want, or leave it out. And flour, as you can see, these little cups that I'm using have characters on it. That's because they are character-driven cups that help your kid measure, count, and have fun in the kitchen. And of course, guys, you can find all the Chefclub kids gear at Amazon.com. And easier than you can say 1, 2, 3. Look at that. All right, so here we go. Fold this other one in and move that to the side because we're going to use it later. This is going to work as its hair. The mane on the horse is going to go right here. We're going to bring it across. And the flour I put on the table, obviously, it's so that it can slide and not stick and be easy to remove later. Come through with some clean scissors, kitchen scissors, of course, and we're going to come through and cut off and just bend it to the side a little so we can see our nice little veggies, the ham, the cheese. Look at those colors, guys. This is a well and balanced meal that your kids are going to enjoy eating because they're going to enjoy making it themselves. You can obviously help them out with the little details and, of course, putting it in the oven. But besides that, they can do everything else on their own, guys. You can make a smaller version if you want. This is for a full family right here. Now we're going to come through with those leftover pieces that we had earlier, and we're going to make the reins. Here we go. We're going to throw this one right underneath and make it look like it's coming all the way around so it can help us get our two pieces stuck together. Here we go. One last one coming in through the mouth right here. And guys, we're going to take care of the eyes just after it comes out of the oven. Poke that little hole right there for the ear so you can hear. Now we're going to come through and make some Chefclub magic. You saw that? Another little magic trick. We got this little egg separator right here that even a 2-year-old can use, and I'm telling you because mine uses it almost all the time when I ask him to help in the kitchen. And when I don't ask him, he's begging me to help. So here we go. We're going to grab this little egg yolk that I put a little bit of water with so it can give us a beautiful crispy color, nice and golden. And now we're going to come through and take this baby to the oven. Guys, parents, do this part. Make sure your kids are nice and safe. Look at this color, crispy. Got a little mozzarella and an olive to make the eye. Nice little strip right here. Put it right in the center and we're ready to eat. Guys, your kids are going to want to eat this all by themselves. Look at that. We got the broccoli, the cheese, the ham, and a little bit of pie dough. So here we go.